Most SAP SuccessFactors. Employee Central Payroll candidates are preparing for an exam that no longer exists. They're memorizing theory and practicing multiple-choice questions. But the new assessment is different. You'll face AI stakeholders, solve real payroll consulting scenarios, defend your recommendations, and answer follow-up questions in real time. In this video, you'll experience the same type of performance-based tasks used in the new assessment format. You'll be tested on payroll architecture, replication, configuration, integrations, and troubleshooting. Let's start. Scenario 1. Payroll go-live failure. AI stakeholder. We completed employee replication from Employee Central to Employee Central Payroll. However, hundreds of employees are not appearing in payroll processing. What should we investigate first? Consultant response. The first step is verifying employee master data replication. I would investigate replication monitoring tools, employee replication status, middleware logs if integration exists, failed replication messages, missing mandatory employee data, AI follow-up. Question: why wouldn't you immediately run payroll? Consultant response. Running payroll before resolving replication issues creates inaccurate payroll results. Missing employees could lead to unpaid workers, incorrect payroll balances, compliance risks, payroll reconciliation problems. Data integrity must be validated before payroll execution. AI follow-up. Question: what SAP tools would you use? Consultant response: I would review Data Replication Monitor, Employee Data Replication Status, Payroll Control Center monitoring tools, Integration Center logs, application logs for replication errors. Scenario 2. Payroll Control Center, Exception Management, AI stakeholder. The Payroll Control Center generated dozens of alerts during payroll validation. Management wants payroll released immediately. What should you do? Consultant response. I would classify alerts according to business impact. Critical payroll exceptions must be investigated before payroll release. Payroll quality takes priority over speed. AI follow-up. Question: which alerts would be highest priority? Consultant response. Highest priority issues include negative net pay, missing bank account information, missing tax data, invalid payroll results, failed payroll calculations. These directly affect employee payments and compliance. AI cross. Question: how would you communicate this to leadership? Consultant response. I would explain, releasing payroll with unresolved critical exceptions creates financial and legal risks. A short delay is preferable to incorrect employee payments. I would provide impact assessment, resolution timeline, risk mitigation plan. If you're preparing for the new SAP scenario-based assessment, practice is essential. Platforms like CertsHero provide realistic AI role-play scenarios, SAP exam simulations, flashcards, and hands-on preparation aligned with the latest exam format. Now let's tackle a more advanced consulting scenario. Scenario 3. Payroll schema change. Request: AI stakeholder. Our company wants a custom overtime calculation that differs from standard payroll processing. Can we simply modify payroll calculations before next month's payroll run? Consultant response. Technically possible does not automatically mean advisable. First, I would evaluate business requirements, legal implications, existing standard functionality, impact on future upgrades, testing requirements, AI follow-up. Question: what risk exists if we rush the change? Consultant response. Major risks include payroll calculation errors, compliance violations, failed regression testing, production incidents, upgrade complications. Payroll changes require controlled testing and validation. AI cross. Question: what would your implementation approach be? Consultant response. I would follow a structured process, gather requirements, review standard capabilities, design solution, configure or enhance, perform unit testing, execute payroll simulation, conduct user acceptance testing, move through transport management, monitor production results. Scenario 4. Year-end payroll compliance issue. AI stakeholder. During year-end processing, auditors discovered inconsistencies in payroll tax reporting. What is your response? Consultant response. I would begin with impact analysis. Key actions include identify affected employees, review payroll results, validate tax calculations, analyze configuration changes, review historical payroll runs, AI follow-up. Question: how do you prevent recurrence? Consultant response: I would implement strong change governance, payroll validation checkpoints, Payroll Control Center monitoring, regular reconciliation procedures, compliance review processes, AI follow-up. Question: what consulting skill is being tested here? Consultant response: this scenario evaluates root cause analysis, risk management, compliance awareness, stakeholder communication, payroll governance. These are common SAP exam tasks in scenario-based assessments. Today, you completed 4 SAP scenario-based questions similar to those found in the assessment. You practiced payroll troubleshooting, payroll control center decision-making, change management, compliance, and stakeholder communication. If you want more SAP exam simulations, check out the SAP certification playlist on this channel. For additional AI role plays, hands-on practice, flashcards, and exam preparation resources, visit certshero.com. Remember, success in the new SAP exam comes from solving problems, not memorizing answers. Keep thinking like a consultant, and I'll see you in the next SAP certification training video.